In dairy herds, hoof health is a measurable management issue, not just a visual one. Lameness, digital dermatitis, and other infectious hoof conditions can affect mobility, milk production, fertility, and culling risk, which is why footbath programs remain an important part of herd biosecurity and hoof care. The challenge is not simply using a footbath, it's using an effective disinfectant with consistent performance. In modern dairy systems, hoof hygiene is a critical part of herd health. As cows pass through a walk-through cleansing station, a controlled spray or bath helps remove contamination and supports cleaner, healthier hooves. When paired with an on-site hypochlorous acid solution, the station becomes even more practical, providing fresh, effective biosecurity support while reducing chemical handling and ongoing product costs. That's where hypochlorous acid, or HOCl, stands out. HOCl is a highly active antimicrobial oxidant that has demonstrated rapid efficacy against a broad range of microorganisms. HOCl is attractive because it combines strong antimicrobial action with low residue, low irritation potential, and practical on-farm usability. Kirkmayer takes that one step further by producing HOCl on-site. In short, Kirkmayer gives dairy producers a technical, cost-effective, and scalable way to support hoof hygiene, biosecurity, and long-term herd performance. Healthy hooves drive herd performance. The Kirkmayer unit produces hypochlorous acid on-site, giving dairy farms a fresh, effective disinfectant for footbaths, without the hassle of storing or hauling chemicals. It's a premium, cost-effective solution for a better hoof hygiene, stronger biosecurity, and more efficient daily operations. Kirkmayer brings a smarter solution. With on-site hypochlorous acid generation, the Kirkmayer unit gives dairy farms a fresh, effective disinfectant when it's needed. Hypochlorous acid is a powerful but gentle sanitizing agent, making it well-suited for footbath applications where consistency, animal comfort, and biosecurity all matter. Instead of depending on delivered chemicals or pre-mixed solutions, Kirkmayer on-site hypochlorous acid is engineered for better hoof health and better farm economics. Thank you for taking the time to view our video. If you would like more information about our technology, please visit our website at kirkmeyercanada.com. Perhaps you may know someone that our technology may be of interest. We would appreciate if you would share your findings. Again, thank you from Kirkmayer Canada.